Reveal allows you to blend data from multiple sources into a single visualization. In this example, I'll use my orders table, which is a REST API hitting my Azure Cloud database. If we look at this data, it is all of the order information. What I would like to do is also get the company name for this particular customer ID for my visualization. So I'll go ahead and load this data. On the left-hand side in the Fields Chooser, there is a plus button, which I'll click. I'll add fields from another data source. And in this case, I'm going to use my Azure SQL database. And I'm going to select my customers table. And in my data blending dialog, I can select the like fields between the tables. So in this case, it's customer ID and customer ID. And then I can select the fields that I would like. In this case, I'll select the company name and I'll join my data. Now from here, you'll notice on the left-hand side, I have the additional data source that I added. I'll drag this up to my label. I'll drag order ID to the values. And you can see that I have the orders by customer. This is by default showing a sum. I'll change this to count of rows. And I'll click Update Field. Now I can see all of the customers and all of their orders. If I wanted to add an additional table, I could simply go to the plus button again, add fields from another data source. I could select my Northwind Azure database again. If I wanted to get shippers, I could select the shippers. And then you can see on the left-hand side, I have all of the fields that are available in my data source. If I select the ship via column, and the shipper ID, I can also get the company name of the shipper. So now when I click Join Data, I will see 3 tables joined for this particular data set. Maybe I'll grab the company name of the shipper and add it as a category. I'll change my chart to a stacked column. And now my chart reflects orders by company by shipper in a stacked column. While blending data on the client is possible, we recommend you do all of your data work on the server for the most optimal performance for your end users.